Office niggas in the chaos we thrive, surviving the madness, just trying to stay alive. No respect, no love, it's a ruthless game. In this office hell, we're staking our claim. Yo, it's the 9 to 5 grind in the corporate maze. Cold-hearted boss got us stuck in a daze. Dumb colleagues talking, wasting my time. In this office jungle, I'm losing my mind. When I form down the stairs, hear the echoing scream. Pushing through the shelves, let off some steam. No respect in this place, it's a battlefield. Gotta watch my back, keep my anger concealed. Office niggas in the chaos we thrive, surviving the madness, just trying to stay alive. No respect, no love, it's a ruthless game. In this office hell, we're staking our claim. Boss man's a tyrant, always on my case. Got me thinking about escape from the soulless place. Deadlines and meetings, nothing but stress. In this office chaos, can't find no rest. Colleagues gossiping, playing the games. Got me plotting revenge, calling out names. Through the cubicles with a deadly glare. Office niggas know it's a cutthroat affair. Office niggas in the chaos we thrive, surviving the madness, just trying to stay alive. No respect, no love, it's a ruthless game. In this office hell, we're staking our claim. Piled up papers and the clock's ticking slow. Every minute in this hell just makes my anger grow. Boss man barking like a dog on a chain. Colleagues acting foolish, driving me insane. Wanna see him tumble down the concrete stairs. Wanna break this silence, show him my stares. Respect's out the window, gone with the breeze. In this office madness, no one's at ease. Office niggas in the chaos we thrive, surviving the madness, just trying to stay alive. No respect, no love, it's a ruthless game. In this office hell, we're staking our claim. Corporate ladder climbing, stepping on toes. In this office wasteland, that's how it goes. Fake smiles and handshakes, hiding the lies. In this daily grind, no one sympathizes. Boss thinks he's king, ruling with fear. But behind closed doors, I'm making it clear. Respect ain't earned, just thrown away. In this office chaos, there's hell to pay. Office niggas in the chaos we thrive, surviving the madness, just trying to stay alive. No respect, no love, it's a ruthless game. In this office hell, we're staking our claim. Emails and memos, filling up my screen. Colleagues spreading rumors, they're just mean. Got a vision in my mind of setting things straight. In this office drama, fueled by hate. Throw 'em down the stairs, watch 'em take a fall. Through the shelves they go, crashing through it all. No respect given, no respect received. In this office nightmare, no one's relieved. So here's to the struggle, the daily grind we face. In the office jungle, no saving grace. Cold-hearted boss, dumb colleagues too. In this office madness, we push on through.